Welcome to my channel. Today we will explore 15 stunning plants that can you use in your home for decoration purpose. Monstera deliciosa. It belongs to indoor plants. It has large glossy leaves with natural splits. The best place for Monstera deliciosa is living room or near windows where it can receive bright indirect light. Snake plant. It is succulent. It has tall upright leaves. It is one from those plants that has air purifying qualities. Suitable place for snake plant is low light areas such as bedroom or offices. Ohouse. It belongs to trailing vine plants. Ohouse has heart-shaped leaves in various variegation patterns. It has trailing growth, suitable for hanging basket or placed on shelf or countertops. Rubber plant. It belongs to ficus plants. It has large and glossy leaves, adds a bold and dramatic presence. Ideal place for rubber plant is well-lit corner or near windows with moderate light. ZZ plant. It belongs to hardy indoor plant. It has shiny dark green oval-shaped leaves. It requires low maintenance. Thrives in low light conditions, making it suitable for various rooms. Boston fern. It is from fern plants and also known as sword fern. Leaves of Boston are lush, feathery fronds. This plant thrives in high humidity, so ideal place is washroom or areas with high humidity away from direct sunlight. Chinese money plant. This plant belong to perennial. Leaves are round and cone-shaped. This plant symbolizes prosperity. Suitable for tabletops or shelves in bright indirect light. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera is a succulent. Leaves are thick and fleshy with medicinal gel. It requires low water requirements. Suitable for sunny windowsill or areas with ample sunlight like kitchen. Peace lily. It is a flowering plant. Leaves are glossy dark green with elegant white flowers. It thrives in low light conditions that making it suitable for offices or bedrooms. Bird nest fern. It is also from fern plants. Cascading wavy frond leaves that adds a touch of greenery. Ideal for hanging basket or mounted on walls in medium to bright indirect light. Spider plant. It belongs to air purifying plants. Arching leaves with small plantlets. It is an excellent air purifier, suitable for hanging basket or placed on shelves or tabletops. Dracaena. It is an indoor tree. It has long slender leaves, ideal as a floor plant in well-lit areas but away from direct sunlight. Chinese evergreen. It belongs to tropical foliage plant. Patterned leaves in shades of green, silver or pink. Suitable for medium to low light areas such as hallways or corners. African violet. It belongs to flowering houseplant. Delicate velvety leaves with colorful flowers. It thrives in bright indirect light, making it suitable for windowsill or well-lit areas. Erica palm. It is a palm plant. Feather-like arching fronds leaves, ideal as a floor plant in bright indirect light such as near windows or in living rooms.